We've got two of these Tureens made by Johnson Brothers, 1940s, 1950s, from the old Chelsea range of china they were producing at that time. And this is an autumn flowers pattern design, really nice lidded tureen. Let's just show you the lid first off. 9.5 inches diameter across the outer diameter of the base of the tureen, extending, as you can see, to these eared lids, eared handles, 10.5 inches. Rotated rib moulding, as you can see in the lid design here. Nice little button handle with some gilt detailing around it. Three areas of transfer print in various sizes, a large, medium and a small one. And it's in really nice condition, really nice clean glaze. No marks on it, no staining, no glaze, crazing or cracks that we can see on any of these pieces. We've got two of them and they're both in similar fantastic condition. The inner tureen, again, nicely decorated. These do display absolutely beautifully as well. They've got the outside design, plain on the underside. There's the Johnson Brothers factory marks from 1940s, 1950s with the rationing coupon code on the base, the old Chelsea and the green crown marks. So the genuine period Johnson Brothers, old Chelsea, lidded vegetable tureen, 9.5 inches extending up to 10.5 between the handles, and just under 5.5 inches tall if you measure to the top of that button handle, in fantastic condition. Available for sale with a range of flatware to back these up for a small dinner service you can put together. It displays absolutely beautifully as an autumn china display on a dresser, and they're in fine vintage, near antique condition. Thanks for watching. Pop the link below which will take you directly through to the website listing if you'd like to find out more details.